everybody. Welcome back. No Stress Futures Trading. Let's break down yesterday's range and let's see where we're sitting. So that was Monday's high. Was at 352 and the low was 821. So we did not close above Friday's range, which was previous day's high here. So, and previous day low. And let's go break down this further to the 4-hour. So we have Tuesday put in the high. Let's break this down. Okay. See what so we got a 4-hour fair value gap here. Let's break this down further. Let's go to the 1-hour here. So we do got a 1-hour fair value gap. Between the 81 to 187 range. We had a 1-hour rejection candle here from this close below. Mm-hmm. 15 minute. Let's check out our London high. Low. So we just still think we go lower now. So yesterday we did hit the liquidity area. I did not get my short in. Just did not set up. So this is actually a good short setup here. Close below. Let's make target on here. So I will be taking this short now. And I'll target these lows here, this liquidity area. So pretty much at 2.32 R. Just because London, like we're not done taking these out yet. And I'll have my stop actually up here between this push down. So I'll be entering this short. I mean, we could go possibly down to this FEG, but I'll be taking some profit here, and maybe if we get down here, be watching what the market does around this 1-hour FEG. And Monday's range, I mean, we could go all the way down here, take out this previous day. but I'll keep it short. That's what I'm looking for on this Tuesday. And let's see, we do have some news, I believe, at ICM services PMI at 3. But this will be my trade for the day. I'll be taking it short. And yeah, we'll see. Please subscribe. If you want have any comments, please let me know. All right, happy trading. Thanks for joining.